Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to write code in Notion. Whether you're documenting a project, sharing snippets with your team, or keeping track of scripts, Notion's code block feature makes it simple to format and display code beautifully. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open Notion and select your desired workspace from the left sidebar. This ensures you're working in the right environment, especially if you manage multiple workspaces for different projects or teams. Once you're in the correct workspace, navigate to the page where you want to add your code. If you don't have a page ready, simply create a new one by clicking the plus new page button or the plus icon in the sidebar. This gives you a fresh canvas to work with. Now click inside the body of the page where you want to insert the code. Notion's interface is designed to be flexible, so you can place code blocks anywhere within your content. To bring up the code block option, type /code and press enter. This / command instantly creates a code block, saving you time and keeping your workflow smooth. Once the code block appears, you'll notice a drop-down menu at the top left corner of the block. Click on it to choose the programming language you're working with. Notion supports syntax highlighting for dozens of languages, from Python and JavaScript to HTML and CSS. Selecting the right language ensures your code is displayed with proper color coding, making it easier to read and review. Next, type or paste your code directly inside the code block. Whether you're writing a quick function or documenting a full script, the block will format everything neatly. If you need more space or want to adjust the size of the block, you can resize it by dragging the edges. This is especially useful when working with longer code snippets or when you want the block to fit nicely with the rest of your page layout. And that's it. Your code block is now ready to use for review, documentation, or sharing with your team right inside Notion. This feature keeps everything organized in one place, making collaboration and reference a breeze. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.